students of LiveTech, Merry Christmas. And one good news also for you people. So just now we got a requirement for Python. So we'll post this on LiveTech Insta ID. So just follow and immediately we can apply. Thank you.
I wish all the LiveTech students, staff, and all the families wish you a Merry Christmas.
Wish you Merry Christmas.
I wish all the LiveTech students and families, team members, wish you all Christmas blessings, wrapped in the love with joy.
We wish you Merry Christmas. We wish you Happy Christmas.
Wish you Happy Merry Christmas.
May the joy of the season linger in your heart all the year. Happy Christmas.
Wishing you the gift for the moments to treasure. Merry Christmas to all.
I wish all my LiveTech friends and staff Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. May your day be merry and bright. I wish all the LiveTech students, team and teachers wish you Happy Christmas. Sparkle and shine this season.
We wish you a Merry